know the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value when it comes to homeowners insurance? Let's use this apple as an example. It costs me about $1 at the grocery store. If I have a policy with replacement cost coverage and I lose my apple, my insurance company would give me $1 to buy a new one, minus my deductible, of course. But if I have actual cash value policy, because it's half eaten, they might only give me 50 cents. Now, it's not such a big difference when you're talking about apples, but it can make a huge difference when we're talking about a major loss. When it comes to homeowners insurance, ensure you understand your coverage so you don't get hit with nasty surprises. I'm Lisa Selvage with eXp Realty Brokerage in Muskoka Cottage Country, and if you're in need of a new policy, reach out for a referral to one of our trusted insurance partners for help.